Hello, today I'm going to try to speedrun making something in Blender. I have not touched Blender in like 2 months, so I'm just going to make something, and yes, let's see, GZ, no, I don't know, wait, G X or Y. Yes, Y. Then I will add a modifier. I think generate a mirror. I think Y. Then I will press this, something like this. Then I will do this, then this, then this, and yes, I got a figure. It's not much, and yeah, I know this is a lame video, but I want to make something. Yeah, I will stop stalling, and bye bye, see you next time.